Hello everyone, welcome to one more video of Undoubtme. I hope you are enjoying our videos, so please feel to express the feedback about these videos in the comments itself. If you really feel that these are helpful for you in any aspect, please mention it in the comments. It will be a feel good factor for us. So in this question, we need to find the area of petals. Okay, let me shade them. So these are the petals what we are trying to find, and they have given us a square whose side is 20 and rest nothing is given. We just need to find area of these petals. So now you can see that each of the two petals, if I name them as A, B, C, D, so petal A and B is a part of a semicircle which is blue in color. Similarly, B and C is a part of purple semicircle, D and C is a part of green semicircle, and A and D is a part of orange semicircle. Okay, I'll be using this, so just remember this. Okay, now the white part which is not required is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, now what you need to understand over here is that somehow if we can get area of those white parts, that from square we can just remove them and we can get the area of petals. Okay, so just be very focused how it is being done. It is a simple question, but yeah, it is a bit tricky, so just look at it with focus. So we will be focusing on part 1 and part 3 as per the diagram what I have shaded. Okay, so for that what I'll do, I'll find area of square ABCD. So I'll just write it down. Square ABCD minus semicircle with semicircle. So I'll just write blue because I have colored them, minus semicircle green. Okay, whatever we'll do for these two, we will just repeat it for the other two. So for that, it will be just a copy paste of what we are doing here. Now, square means it is 20 square. Area of semicircle blue is half pi r square. R is 10, so it will be 10 squared. And area of semicircle green is same, half pi 10 squared. Now you might be wondering that why I'm subtracting it. So just look at the figure carefully. If I take area of full square, okay, and from there if I subtract area of this semicircle which has A and B, okay, and also I subtract area of semicircle with green which has D and C. So if you look at the figure carefully, I will be left with part 2 and part 4 as the leftover area. Okay, remember it once again, we are dealing with 1 and 3, but at the end when we solve we are getting part 2 and part 4. Okay, in all, as I mentioned in the beginning, that we are just looking for areas of part 1, 2, 3, 4. If we get that, we will subtract it from square. Okay, so this calculation, 400 minus, eventually it will be 100 pi. Okay, so let me just do the calculation. So it is 400 minus 100 pi and that comes out to be 85.84. Now this in centimeter square, this is the area of part 2 and part 4. Considering the symmetry, I can say that area of part 1 and 3 is also same. Okay, so the total area of 1, 2, 3 and 4 is equal to twice of 85.84. So in the calculator, if I just twice it out, I'm getting 171.7 centimeters squared. Now, interestingly, that is giving me the blue area, which I'm just highlighting now. Okay, so this blue area is there with us now, and now the question is almost done. So what should be our next step? I'll write here. So the required area is equal to area of square, which is 20 square 400 minus area of blue region means it will be 171.7. So if I subtract it, I'm getting approximately 228.3 centimeters squared, and this is the required area. Okay, so this question was a bit tricky, but it was not that difficult if you'll understand what is being done over here. Look at the video one more time, and if there is any doubt, you can put that in the comments. So I hope you guys are clear with this. We'll see in the next video soon.